The school bell's shrill cry signals freedom, and a surge of youthful energy explodes through the classroom. Emma bursts from her desk, sneakers squealing against the floor. Mrs. Davis calmly outlines the day's plan: circle time, art, and the playground. Her composed gestures contrast with the students' escalating excitement. Mrs. Davis's voice strains to be heard above the rising tide of jubilant chaos. In a vibrant classroom, children gather on a colorful rug, their faces alight with anticipation and curiosity. Lily, Pigtails began, voice soft. Squirrel. Emma interrupts, her eyes sparkling with imagination. Wait, no, it wasn't a squirrel, it was a ladybug pilot. Lily's gentle protest is almost lost. But I was saying it was a squirrel and… Emma continues, painting a vivid picture. Yes, and this ladybug, she had this tiny little airplane, see? And she flew all around the world. Mrs. Davis delicately blends colors, her movements fluid in the tranquil classroom. Emma's impatience simmers, a stark contrast to the calm atmosphere. Ignoring guidance, Emma slashes crimson paint, a bold, defiant act. Classmates create gentle landscapes, soft hills on a serene skis. Emma's work explodes a defiant splash against the serene art. Emma sprints, her small form a burst of energy heading straight for the towering slide, her laughter echoing in the playground. Michael's face falls as Emma cuts him off, a fleeting shadow of disappointment clouding his youthful features. Emma slides down, but a sense of emptiness washes over her. Her joy feels hollow amidst the vibrant playground. Emma stands alone, as the echoing laughter of other children fades, leaving her isolated in her own world. Michael's face brightens, his earlier frustration replaced by excitement as he begins to explain the rules of tag. Emma's eyes light up with understanding. I'm sorry, she says, her voice barely a whisper. Her initial awkwardness melts away as she joins the game, tentatively at first, then with growing confidence. Her laughter blends with the joyous sounds of the other children, a genuine smile gracing her features. Emma experiences the shared joy of connection and belonging, her face radiant with newfound happiness.